Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, we will show you how to consolidate teachers list under your school. Make sure to have the teachers list and PIMS code before proceeding with the consolidation. Let's begin by adding a new teacher. From the school dashboard, go to Teachers and click on Consolidation. Click the Consolidation button and then click Add Teacher button. Enter the teacher PIMS code and click on Search. Verify the teacher details and click on Claim Teacher button. On success, you will get a confirmation message and you will see the teacher in the list also. Next, we will show you how to drop or remove a teacher from the list in case if the teacher was added by mistake. Go to the consolidation list and select the teacher to drop or remove. And then click the drop button to remove it. Let's view the teacher list. Navigate to the Teachers and click on Teachers button. Here you can see the teachers list. Use the View button to view the teacher's details. That's it. This is all for this tutorial video. Thank you.